video will show you step by step how to change the turn signal in your 2015 Harley Road King. The only tool needed for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver. Starting at the front of the turn signal, you'll need to remove the two Phillips screws holding the lens on. Once the lens is removed, you can access the bulb. The bulb is held in by two notches on the sides. To remove the bulb, you'll need to push it in and turn it counterclockwise at the same time. Now that we have the old bulb out, let's compare it to the new LED. You can see the bases are exactly the same for an easy plug-and-play fit. To install the new bulb, first, identify the two pins on the sides. The bottom pin will line up with the slot you can see here. Push the bulb into the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Be sure to test everything before you put it back together. Replace the lens, lining up the holes in the lens with the housing, and replace the two screws. Now you'll need to repeat those steps for the turn signal on the other side. Remove the two screws in the lens. Remove the bulb by pushing it in and turning it counterclockwise. Replace the new LED bulb. Install by lining up the notches, pushing it in, and turning it clockwise to lock it. Test again, and finally replace the lens and the two screws to finish. You can see in the side-by-side how much brighter the Ayla lighting bulb is. This is just the bulb you need for your motorcycle.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.